Alright, so this question is arranging coins. So as you can see, this is pretty simple question. But in order to get a efficient solution is a little bit tricky. So I'm going to say, okay, if rho equal to 1, you only need 1 coin. How about 2? You need 2 coins. 3, you need 3 coins. Alright, how about 4? 4, you need 4 coins. But how about this is this is for Excel rule, right? So rule number 1, you need 1 coin. Rule number 2, you need 2 coins. Rule number 3, you need 3 coins, and then so on, right? But let's look at the sum. So sum is actually what? If rho equal to 1 only, is 1. Rho equal to 2 is 3. Rho equal to 3 is 2 is 3, and 3 is 6. 4 is 10, right? As you can see, you're trying to add, right? Trying to add. Alright, so the calculation is going to be what? K times K plus 1 divided by 2. So this will be the sum of all the coin in the stair, right? So using this calculation, and then we can use a binary search, for this between 1 to n, right? And then we can find out, oh, that's my arbitrary rule for the sum is equal to what? Is equal to n. If that is true, then we can just return. If not, we just keep switching our I and j based on the sum, right? Alright, so let's start it. So I equal to 0, j is initial to n, and also I need the sum equal to 0 over here. So just make sure it's I less than j. And then I'm going to use it long. So long k equal to what? I plus j minus I divided by 2. So you get a middle value, right? So sum, which is sum of coins should be, right? Should be what? K times k plus 1 divided by 2. So if the sum is equal to the n, which is going to be what? A coin number, right? N equal to a coin number, then you can return. This is a rule, right? So it's going to be in k, right? Alright, so if the sum is greater than n, which is what? I have too many. Sorry. If sum is greater than n, which is my pivot, which is middle value, is too big, so I will have to make the range, too smaller. So k minus 1, okay? Else I equal to k plus 1, which is if my sum is too small, then I want to move my I pointer. If my sum is too big, I want to move my j pointer. So it has to be close to this guy, right? Close to this sum, right? And then later on you will want to return j. So j should be what? Should be the last rule, right? You always subtract by 1. Just think about it. You always subtract k minus 1, right? So if it's equal to n, you can return n. Return k. If not, you want to say k minus 1, and it should be okay. Oh, so I need to make sure this is. Oh, this is long. Everything should be long. So I will make sure this is in when I return. Cool. So yeah, this is a problem. Make the n value too big to the integer max, but it doesn't matter. So this is binary search standard formula, and yeah, space is constant, time is log n, and you should be understand this logic. If not, watch it again. If you have a question, leave a comment. See you later. Bye.